Namaste all the students from 8th standard. In this lecture we are going to learn factorization of algebraic expression. Before that, let us revise your previous knowledge. Let us factorize ax plus ay. Do you remember how to factorize these algebraic expressions? Yes. First, let us try to factorize ax plus ay. Ax, which is the first term, it can be written as a into x, and second term ay, that can be written as a into y. Now in the first term and second term, which is the common factor? Yes, a is the common factor. So a into bracket x plus y. So a into x plus y, that is the factors of given algebraic expression ax plus ay. Okay. Now next, a square minus b square. Now let us remember the expansion formula of a plus b into a minus b. Do you remember the expansion of a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. Now a plus b into a minus b are the factors, and its expansion is a square minus b square. Now reversing the sides, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So the factors of a square minus b square are a plus b into a minus b. Let us factorize the expression 4xy plus 8xy square. Now 4xy can be written as 4 into x into y, and plus 8xy can be written as 8 into x into y into y. Now find the common factors between given two terms. In the coefficient 4 and 8, 4 is common, and in the variables x is common here and y is common here. So 4 into x into y, that is 4xy, is a common. In the first term, when 4x is common, there is 1, plus in the second term, when 4xy is common, 2y. P square minus 9q square. Now this p square is the square of p, and 9q square is the square of 3q. Now p square of p minus square of 3q, it is in the format of a square minus b square, and we have already learned about the factors of a square minus b square. Yes, a plus b and a minus b. By the same way, p plus 3q and p minus 3q are the factors of given expression p square minus 9q square. Now let us understand what is the quadratic trinomial. Firstly, we have learned about trinomial. In the expression, if there are three terms, then it is called as trinomial. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c, it is a trinomial because there are three terms. Now what is the meaning of quadratic trinomial? So here the variable is x. X is a variable, and this variable x have index. Yes, it have index, maximum index is 2. When there is a trinomial whose index of variable is 2, then it is called as a quadratic trinomial. So definition, an expression in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is called as quadratic trinomial. Now let us understand how to factorize x square plus bx plus c. For that, you already know that x plus a into x plus b, the expansion of x plus a into x plus b, it is equal to x square plus a plus b into x and plus ab. That is the expansion of x plus a into x plus b. Now changing the sides, we get x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. It is equal to x plus a into x plus b. Now x square plus bx plus c. Then we have to find factors of c such that its addition is the coefficient of middle term and its multiplication is the constant term, that is third term. Okay, now let us solve some examples. First example, 2x square minus 9x plus 9. 2x square minus 9x plus 9. Now first term, that is square term, then it is second term, that is middle term, and third term, that is constant term. Square term, then middle term, and third one is constant term. Remember that. So coefficient of square term into constant term, that is 2 into 9, it is positive 18. So factorize positive 18 such a way that its multiplication is positive 18 and addition is negative 9. So 6 and 3 are the factors, and since their addition is negative 9, we have to give negative sign both of them. So negative 6, negative 3. So 2x square minus 6x minus 3x plus 9. Now take common factors from first and second term and third and fourth term. So common factor between first and second term, that is 2x into bracket x minus 3, and from third and fourth term 3 is the common factor and in bracket x minus 3. Now in the first term and second term x minus 3 is common, so x minus 3 into another bracket 2x minus 3 are the factors of given expression 2x square minus 9x plus 9. X square minus 10x plus 21. Now third term, that is constant term, is 21, and we have to find factors of 21 such a way that its addition will be negative 10. So it is 7 and 3, and we shall give negative sign to both the factors. So it is equal to x square minus 7x minus 3x and plus 21. Now taking common from first and second and third and fourth term, x square minus 7x, x is common, into bracket x minus 7, and minus 3 into bracket x minus 7. So x minus 7 is common from first and second term, and in the another bracket remaining x minus 3. So x minus 7 and x minus 3 are the factors of given quadratic expression, that is x square minus 10x plus 21. Okay, now next, 2y square minus 4y minus 30. Now we shall use here two methods. By the first method, we have to multiply the coefficient of square term, that is 2, into the constant term, that is negative 30. We have to find factors of negative 60 such that its addition will be negative 4. So 10 and 6, and we shall give negative sign to bigger number. So negative 10 and positive 6 are the factors. It is equal to 2y square minus 10y plus 6y and minus 30. Take common from first and second and third and fourth term. So from first and second, common is 2y into bracket y minus 5 plus from second, third and fourth term 6 is the common, 6 into bracket y minus 5. So y minus 5 is the common factor now, and it is y minus 5 into another bracket 2y plus 6. Now in this 2y plus 6 there are also a common factor, that is 2. So overall we can write as 2 into bracket y plus 3 into y minus 5. So these are the factors of given quadratic expression or quadratic trinomial 2y square minus 4y minus 30. We can solve this example by another method also. Let us learn another method. 2y square minus 4y minus 30. Now take 2 common, 2 into bracket y square minus 2y minus 15. So we have to now factorize y square minus 2y minus 15. 2 as it is into the bracket. Now negative 15 can be factorized such a way that addition will be negative 2. So it is 5 and 3. So negative sign to the 5 and positive sign to the 3. So y square minus 5y plus 3y and minus 15. 2 into bracket. Now take common from first and second and third and fourth term. So y is common from first and second, y into bracket y minus 5 and plus 3 is common from third and fourth term and in bracket y minus 5. Now this y minus 5 is common from both the terms. So 2 into y minus 5 and into bracket y plus 3. These are the factors of given quadratic trinomial 2y square minus 4y minus 30. Okay. Overall, I hope that you all understand the explanation. Thank you.